After every call, Allo writes a summary for you. With templates, you decide exactly what those summaries look like. Let me show you how to create one. Open Settings, then go to Templates. This is your template library. Allo comes with ready-made templates for sales, support, or discovery calls. And you can build your own. Click New Template. First, give it a name. Let's create one for plumbing job intake calls. Next, the call context. Describe the kinds of calls this template is for, so the AI knows what to listen for. Now, the sections. Each section becomes a block in your summary, and your instructions tell the AI what to capture there. You can add as many as you need. Let's add one for job details. When you're happy with it, hit Save. Allo double-checks your instructions and polishes them if needed. If it suggests corrections, review them and confirm. And that's it. Your template is now available to the whole workspace. Pick it from any call summary or set it as the default for one of your numbers.